Hey y'all, Dana here. What are y'all doing today? I've got to answer an SOS. Yes, my flowers sent me an SOS and said, help, the weeds are taking over. So, let me see if I can show you my weeds, okay? The weeds are taking over up here, and we've been, taking care of the farm, the different people who are sick in our lives, doing our job in Montgomery and doing this. And so I'm like, geez, I got to get out here and pull some weeds. This right here is my azalea bush, which is pretty, but you can't see it for all the weeds. Look at that. All the weeds. These are up at my porch. Look, I've got an azalea or two blooming. There's another azalea bush hidden in amongst those weeds. And here is my sage plant that I'm babying, so I got big things around it to keep it from freezing. Anyway, I got a lot of weeds to pull. And my hubby's running out the yard's got to be worked on too, so he's running out to get gas for the mower. Here's another one of my sage plants. It's not so bad. Here's my hostas. Aren't they looking pretty? Hosta lilies. Did you know hostas are edible? There's an American beautyberry, and there's my ferns. I call them Aunt Janet because she's where they came from. My Aunt Janet ferns. And here's my tea olive, y'all. My tea olive's starting to get beautiful little blooms on them that smell so good. So anyway, this is how bad it looks out here. Look at this. Good gracious. I have more flower beds, but I'm too ashamed to show you them. But I will work on them. All right. Let me go fix something to eat before I actually start working on this. Y'all hear those bees? All right, I'm going in the house. I'm going to fix something to eat and have it on warm so that when I'm all hot and tired from pulling weeds and hauling stuff out of the yard, I'll have something to eat and I won't have to worry about it. So y'all come on in the kitchen and I'll show you what I got. Okay, y'all, here's what I pulled out today to create some lunch with, and I'm gonna keep it on warm. I've got some ready rice. These are the garden vegetables. I've got some mushrooms that I'll drain and use, some Parmesan cheese because I'm feeling like it's a cheesy day, some vegetables, and I always need some corn and green peppers. I'm not even chopping the peppers today. They're coming out of there, just part of them. And I've got what's left of a roasted chicken. And I am gonna make me something good for this and keep it on warm until I come in for lunch. All right, y'all, I'm in the kitchen and I've got my trusty Towncraft electric skillet. There is a link to that right up under, on my page, right up under everything. You can see different things I've highlighted. One of them's a link to how to get one of these. I've had mine for, 25, 26, 30 years. I don't even know how long, but I'm using this today and I use it all the time. I've got two of them. I've got one in my camper and I'm putting in about 2 spoons of butter, maybe 1.5, and I'm also gonna put in some olive oil. Now y'all, like I said, I'm gonna cook this in here and then I'm going to turn it on warm, and then this lid will seal it on there and it will stay nice and warm. It causes a suction, seals it on there. It'll stay nice and warm until I come in from pulling all those weeds. And Lord help us, I wish y'all were here to help me with those weeds. But anyway, I digress. Let's get this going. And we are going to get started on a throw together meal so that David and I can have a good lunch when we come in from working. We got the butter and the olive oil. Now we just got to get started. And I keep these in the freezer for times like this when I don't have time to do all this chopping and stuff. And these are chopped green peppers. So I'm not using all of them. I'm gonna use probably half of this. This is an 8-ounce thing. So I'm probably gonna use 4 ounces. Just pour them in there and let them get started. Y'all, there's just something so good about the taste of corn with peppers. I know I've told y'all that before, but it's true. So we got that in and we're getting that going. And now I'm gonna get some mushroom pieces. They're already chopped up. You don't have to worry about it. And I gotta drain them over my sink. And we're gonna drain them over the sink, which is what I'm doing now. And here we go. Very good. So we got this going. And then when I'm creating these throw-togethers, I use whatever is in the freezer. And today I'm going to use some Asian vegetables as well. I like a lot of vegetables. If you don't have to put any more vegetables than this. But anyway, we're gonna put that in there and let it get to going. And now let me show y'all my cookbook, Happiness is Homemade, y'all. It is a bestseller on Amazon and it will come right to your home. As an ebook, you can get it today as an ebook or as a print book, like this. It'll come right to your house. And I'm thanking y'all for all of you that have bought it. So many have, thousands and thousands and thousands have bought it. I really appreciate it. It's my family's tried and true recipes and we want you to have them. No need to reinvent the wheel. We got those recipes right here that's gonna keep people coming back to your table with a happy smile on their face for years and years. Happiness is Homemade, y'all. Go get you one. I knew I was gonna need some new gloves. My garden gloves were looking pitiful. So I got online and I got Cool Job gloves, and no, they're not paying me to say this, Cool Job protective gloves. And they are for my little hands. You can get them in all sizes, but I got the ones for my little hands. They'll stay on right here so that stuff doesn't get up in your glove. Don't you hate that when you're pulling weeds and stuff's up in your glove? So it'll be secure here so you can get out there and pull those weeds, which is what I'm gonna do shortly. I'll put a link to these if you're interested in them. So I'm always kind of looking ahead for things like that. And I knew that I've had these for a while because I thought I was gonna do these earlier. And then, you know, my mother-in-law got sick, and so it's been all hands on deck with that. So now, the SOS from my plants are like, Dad, come pull the weeds. So anyway, does that ever happen with y'all? All right, we got this going. We got this in here and it's getting good and hot. The next thing we're going to do is add a little salt. And y'all, I'm just gonna use my salt thing. Y'all know how much to shake in there. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of pepper. Now, if you wanna add any more elegant ingredients in this, you can use whatever your favorite seasoning is. You could turn it into Cajun, you could turn it into whatever, but this is just gonna be good old butter and vegetables, which you cannot go wrong with that. And now I'm gonna pour these in, and this is just Asian vegetables. So it's got peppers and broccoli and carrots. And I try to fill up different things that I cook with vegetables just so we can be healthier. And this checks the boxes. It's got all the different colors in it. I would pick that up, but it's falling apart. See those beautiful colors it's got in it? And it's got beans. It's got all kind of good stuff. So that's got to get going. Let me put something over it. And y'all, that butter flavor in there is gonna be so tasty. And now what we've gotta do is get the chicken off the bone. And this might be a little messy, but we can do it. I love a good roasted chicken from the store where I can just come in and do all kind of stuff with it. So today, I'm just gonna pull off a little bit of the meat and get it in this dish. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Skin and all. I like the skin. Did you know the skin is very good for your skin? As a biology teacher, I know that we have to eat stuff that takes care of all of our body parts, including skin. So if you want good vitamins for your skin, eat the skin. It's simple. All right, I got this here and I'm just gonna start pulling it apart, putting it in there. So we're gonna have chicken and vegetables. Chicken and veggies. Anyway, let's start tearing it. I'm gonna get my scissors here. Y'all, these are my kitchen shears. And start cutting it. Everything doesn't have to be done on a cutting board. You know it? It doesn't. So we're just cutting this up, getting it in there. And y'all, that chicken skin will give it some good flavor as well. I know I've told y'all this before, but I have had fried chicken skin at gourmet restaurants, high-end gourmet restaurants, and it is really good. They drop that chicken skin in a deep fryer and bring it out to you, and it's like a chicken skin potato chip. And I'm just going to tell you something. Where has that been all my life? It shall be with me for the rest of my life, because I loved it. Okay, you see if I want to pull out any more of this. This is a good way to use up stuff in your refrigerator. And I'm all about that. So let me move this to the side now. I've about got enough. Sprinkle it in there. Wipe off my hands and stir. I think I want a little bit more liquid in here, so I'm gonna add another knob of butter, and this is about another 2 tablespoons. So yeah. And y'all know butter's good for you. It's got those fats you need to get your cells to be healthy. Yeah, baby. And there we go. I wish y'all were here. Y'all could help me pull weeds. I know. I don't mind pulling weeds. I just haven't had time. You know? And my flowers, like I said, SOS, Dana, we gotta have some help. So what I'm gonna do now, I've got that butter in there. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese in there and let it be sitting with it. If I get it open, I'm putting it in there. I haven't got it open yet. Okay, putting this in there. Maybe a little more olive oil, and then we're covering this baby up. And when I come back in, I'll pop this in the microwave, and we will have garden vegetable with peas and carrots and corn. Y'all, I forgot to add my corn. Here we go. Forgot to add my corn. So we're gonna go ahead and put this corn in on chop. And there's not much, about 2/3 of a cup. Well, no, even less than that. I don't want it covered up with corn. Okay, so now, got the corn in. And I dropped that in. Let me clean that up. And now what we're gonna do, maybe put a little more olive oil. Then I'm gonna cover this, turn it off. A vacuum seal will form and it will stay warm. Let me turn it off. It will stay warm and ready for when I get in and have got the weeds pulled. All right, let me get my gloves. Weeds, you're in trouble. I'm coming after you. Y'all hear that bee? I swear, those things. Look at this. I've got so many weeds out here. Hey, pine straw, yay. Goodness gracious. I could harvest this for hay. It's looking better. Yeah, looking better. Thanks to these new gloves, yeah. Looks a little better. Got a lot more to go. All right, y'all, we've been working and working. David's on the lawnmower right now. He's about to come in and wash up. And I've come in, I've been pulling and pulling and pulling on those weeds. And here we are. for lunch, a quick lunch that I threw together earlier. I've got a little bit of this ready rice. I've heated it up. Y'all know you just crack it a little bit, heat it for 90 seconds in your microwave, and it's ready. And if you want to doll it up, you can doll it up. And this one is the garden vegetables with peas, corn, and carrots. So just think how healthy I'm gonna be when I get through eating all this. And got to open this. It's sealed a little. I told you it would with my wonderful pan. And y'all, it smells so delicious. It's got corn and y'all look at that. Look at that. Garden vegetables, garden fresh. Of course, y'all know they were fresh frozen. Look at this. We got that good looking chicken. We got all kinds of different colors. Look at that. And y'all know I'm gonna top it all off with some Parmesan. Parmesan's in it, butter's in it, so it's gonna be a butter Parmesan taste. A little extra. And you can go for any flavor profile you want in this. It's whatever you want. Italian, Cajun, whatever. But I'm going in right now to get me a bite of everything that I can get on this little fork. Okay, don't worry about lunch. Just throw it together before you go pull weeds. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's so good. You got the chicken. You got the peppers and the corn and the mushrooms. It's mighty good. You know what I always say? A well-fed world is a happier place to be. The good Lord, He loves you a lot, and I love you too. Y'all, go have a really good day. Throw yourself some really good vegetables and rice together with chicken. You're gonna love it. Bye now. I gotta get back to those weeds.